Hi, I'm Charles Bolig from East Bay Mud, and I'm here to talk to you about the gardener's secret weapon, and that is mulch. Mulch is something you can get at a lot of different hardware stores, big box stores, or even from a local tree trimmer. Mulch has many benefits, one being it keeps the soil moist by being a nice cover over it. We tell people to put it on 3 or 4 inches. What it also does is it keeps the roots cooler, and that's really good for the plant's health, especially on hotter days and there's a lot of dry winds. As mulch breaks down, it adds nutrients to the soil, another wonderful benefit. And that's why we tell people to put on a little bit each year. And another one that people oftentimes forget is that mulch covers your irrigation lines. And the sun's really hard on those plastic parts, and if there's mulch on top of it, it makes those plastic parts last a lot longer. So as you wheelbarrow your mulch into place and start leveling it, take it and kind of work it on into the base of your shrubs. That helps retain the moisture and remember keeps the roots nice and cool. If you have trees, you actually want to put maybe like a little 6-inch space next to it. And what that does is it prevents any sort of like fungi starting to get to the crown of the tree. So go ahead this weekend, go get some mulch and enjoy. Mulch me very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, 3 seconds in between.
Okay.
And just do a kind of semi-serious smiling one.
Okay.
One more.
Thank you very much for listening.